Hello, sports fans and sports card enthusiasts. My name is Steve with M&M Cards and Collectibles, and today we have. I just opened the box up, but we have these, as it says in the thumbnail. Topps 2025 Baseball Series 1s. Ready for the season to start. Looks like there's going to be some really good prospects as far as rookies. We'll see who's in here. Just looked over the list. I don't remember or recall a lot of them right now, but I'm sure I will once we start looking at the cards. I hope you enjoyed the introduction, putting together some clips and threw it together on iMovie, and there you have it, folks. So hopefully we'll see. So I had to do some adjusting, so I did open the first pack up, and looks like we've got a league leaders, ERA leaders here from last year. Let's see here, and we've got a Lewis for the White Sox. There's a Reds win with Ellie De La Cruz. I think that may be something that could be a little bit of value there. Who knows? I'm going to try to turn up the brightness a bit. Let's see what happens. There you go. I see the light. Please be patient. Thank you. Here's a rookie. You got Shea Whitcomb. Put that over there. Louis Nootbaar. Seth Lugo. I think I watched him pitch not too long ago. He's been in the league here for quite a while. Some league leaders. Here you go. Witt, Guerrero, and Judge. I think these were batting average, right? Yep. There you go. Cullen Ray. Yeah, Cullen Ray. Kevin Gossman. Rob Schneider. So here's you go. Call of the Hall. Call to the Hall. Ricky Henderson. Jordan Alvarez. I think he might be. That's a foil. And Louis Bill. All right, let's get to the second pack. I'll try to speed through this. Try to keep it within 15 minutes at least, but we'll see how it goes. We got Paul Blackburn. Eloy Jimenez. Not sure. Willie Castro. Chris Bassett. Francisco Alvarez. I think he may be a bit of a star, minor star. McKenzie's. Flying Highs. Cody Bellinger. He's a star in my book. There's a rookie, Brooks Lee. Jameson Taillon. Anthony Volpe, I think. Is that Volpe? Rizzo. And then we have a Lewis Robert Jr. foil. And a couple of guys there. All right. Hope everybody's well and doing okay. Weather's warming up wherever you're at, or been warm. So, anyway, rookie off the top, we got Brooks Baldwin. Yep. Okay. Benton Doyle. Franco Lindor. DJ Hers. Some home runs. Shohei Ohtani there, so we might have some worth there. Orlando Arcia. Adolis Garcia. And if you notice that there's any stars, I'm sure I'll go through them, but just let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Shoot me a comment. Let me know yay, nay, or indifferent. There's another call. Tony Gwynn. Julio Rodriguez foil. It's Grant McCray. So far, I'm not recognizing anybody from the list of the top 20. I think Walker, Jenkins, maybe. There's the pitcher with the LA Dodgers, the other Japanese guy, Saiko or something like that. Isaac Partner. Now there's Anthony Volpe. He didn't look too good today. Struck out 3 times during spring training. They were playing Houston, but there was a lot of home runs, and there was one kid on there. He's 19 years old, and he smacked one out. The future star. Put that in the rookies. Here you go. Special. Another special. Phillies, National League champs. Or not National League champs, but made it to the playoffs, I think. Lewis. Yeah. Chris Taylor. Michael Sani. Cole Reagans. Here you go. There's a nice one. American League. Angels. That's a nice card. Well, that's good looking, isn't it? Wow. Real nice. And here we go. Gunnar Henderson. That's a nice one. It's a foil card. Again, I'm not sure. It's SB 12. So I don't know if it's a numbered card or not. And then you got Edmar Amador. I don't remember him. He may be in the top 100s of the MLB, but not sure. So let's giddy up here. We're gonna try to keep this under 15, and we're not doing so good right now. Spencer Steer, Brandon Marsh, Angel Martinez, Eloy Jimenez. Here's a Kai Bush. Mike Trout. There you go. He's always good to put in the star. Bobby Witt Jr. Nice card. There's a rookie here. Drew Romo. Shea. Let me see here. Shea Langoliers. Tanner. To see that. Tanner Scott. Oh, here is a Christian Yelich. Old Brewers. That's a 90. Or is that a 90? Yeah. I believe that's a 90. Look. Nice card. What do we got here? Christian Yelich foil. And a couple other guys there. Alright. Moving right along. But I was watching a little bit of some spring training today. Yankees are not like my favorite team like they used to be, but here's another league leaders, RBIs. Tyler Stevenson. Zach Wheeler. Now I kind of consider him a star because I noticed that he had a 14 Heritage, his rookie card, and it's going for like $50. So Christian Mena, I didn't see him on the 20 list that I picked off. Marcus Stroman. Okay, Okay. Jacob Wilson. Jose Ramirez. Yamato. I think he is a future star. Hoop Dreams. Hood Dreams something. There's another guy. Machida. Here's a Ricky Henderson, 1990. That's a decent card. I like that. I should actually put that up here. And a Carlos Correa. Yeah, there you go. Nice foil. Not sure exactly what you're getting in these megas. It says look for this or that and the other thing. I'm not sure that there's any like autographs, autos or anything, or if I'm going to get any kind of special foils or serious, thing here, but who knows? You might get lucky. Willie Brennan, Dylan Cease, it's a rookie. Strada, Hayes, there's another rookie. Carlos Rodriguez, Jake Rogers, Tyrone Taylor. But yeah, there's a selfie there of the team, guys messing around. Charlie Blackman, foil. Vladimir Guerrero, foil. And yeah, I don't think those are any rookies there. Well, we're running on 12:30 right now, so let's kind of speed go through these a little bit. Castro, Gray, looking for the rookies. Jace Young, I wonder if he's related to Josh Young. He might be a younger brother. I know there's a lot of that going on in football. You had the Boza brothers, Tigers. Now, let me see what we got here. Dylan Cruz. Now, I definitely know he was on the 2025 prospects. Tyler Locklear and Emmanuel Chase. All right, here we go. Let's get her done, Tater. All right, here we go. The Orioles. Yep, Freddie Freeman. Well, put him over there. Future stars. Nolan Channel. I guess Skeen would be one. I don't know if he was out last year. I think he was his rookie card was last year. It's a rookie there. Here we go. Shohei Ohtani. Boom. Look at there. That may be a special. We'll put him up there like that. 2024 Cal Raleigh. Not sure. We'll put him over there. There's a Corbin Carroll. Nice. I know he went over to the Diamondbacks. I thought he was with Houston when he started his first year there. And, well, here's a rookie here, Spencer Schwelenbach. All right. So, I guess if we're not too far over. I hate making them 20 because they take so long to download on YouTube. Tyler Phillips, Brandon Pratt. Yeah, okay. Let's kind of just go through and we'll see if we get. There's a rookie there. River Ryan, Josh Harder, Julio Rodriguez, Ryan O'Hearn, Trevor Lark. Here's a Juan Soto, greatest hits. Here we go. Corey Seager. There we go. Angels again. One of those and that. Okay. So we got 6 packs left. I know I probably should have opened these up first, but I hate doing that, you know. I like to just kind of open them as I go. There's a Red Sox. Zach Neto, I think he's maybe a little bit of a star. Seth Lugo, Logan Webb. I may missed a couple of rookies here, but I'm not sure. I'm not going to worry about it. We're going to speed through them. Carlos Correa. Here we go. Foil. Hai Song. And a Mike Trout again. I think I had one of those already. And a couple of those guys. All right, here we go. We're moving along, trying to get this done. My debut intro here, rookie. Zach DeLenzo, he may be in the top 20 or top 100 there. I didn't see him in the top 20. I would have pretty much recognized those guys. Here you go. Luis DeSantos, Casey Mize, Jung Hoo. Here's a rookie, Zach. League leaders. All right, here we go. James Wood, I think he was one of the ones that I saw there. And you had Tyler Glasnow. And all right, moving right along. 4 packs left. All right, let's see here. Nick Ludo, Weston, what do we got here? Ben Rice, Luis Jimenez, and Josh Young. Here we go, a 90, Aaron Judge. Another nice one there. And what we got here, Rafael Devers, foil. And we've got Andres Chaparro. All right, here we go. Let's try to bust this out in 2 minutes. See what happens. Yeah. And a rookie, Shaw Whitcomb. Yeah. Stevenson. Oh, that's a rookie. Yeah, that's what I thought. A couple of them. There's a All-Star. Maybe the old rookie All-Star look there, you know. David Hamilton an upside down. Yadier Molina. And who we got here? Bryce Harper. We put him up there. He's always a good one. And Diaz. And another Diaz. Okay. 2 left. Let's see if we can get it to 20 minutes and call it a day. Here we go. Ha-Song, Baylock, Early. Yeah, league leaders. Drake. Yeah. Yeah. So they're nice looking cards for sure. I would say all in all. Brooks Lee, rookie. Brady Sanger, and then I think this is like a rookie all-star. So, all right, 1 left. You're gonna run over a little bit, but hopefully I didn't do too bad. I guess I'll have to breeze through and see if I, did okay. There's Zach Wheeler, there's a rookie there. It's Christian Mena. I don't think that I seen him on that list. Dylan Cease, Connor Norby. Yeah, Cade Povich, Starling Martin, Ellie De La Cruz. That's always a nice car. He certainly, I think he's going to be one of the best players in modern baseball for sure. Here's another Shohei. Different look. Very good. J.R. Crawford and Kobe Mayo. It's the last one. So ran a little bit over, about 21 minutes when I call it quits here on this video. But I appreciate you watching. Please, I'm going to have some more content out. Please like and subscribe.